How to clear app cache on iPhone. Let's get started. Is your iPhone running slow or are you running out of space? One solution is to clear the app cache. In this guide, I'll show you how to do that easily. Before we dive into these steps, let's quickly cover what app cache is. It's basically temporary data that apps store to help them run faster. Over time, it can build up and slow down your iPhone. Unfortunately, iPhones don't come with a one-tap clear all cache option, but I'll show you how to clear cache for individual apps. Launch your settings, navigate to the option of General, click on iPhone Storage. In this page, you're gonna find the list of the apps. Now you can offload those apps consuming large data. Open the app, then click on Offload app, then again click on Reinstall app. Next, for the apps like Safari, you can manually clear cache within the app itself. Hit back. Scroll down and find the app Safari. Once you find it, open it. Scroll down. Now click on Clear History and Website Data. For the time frame, check in for the option All History. Enable for the option Close All Tabs. Click on Clear History. Also, you can reinstall the app. When you delete an app, the cache is removed. Just reinstall it from the App Store afterward. Lastly, what you can do is reset all the settings. For that, head over to the option of General. Scroll down, navigate to the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset All Settings. Now enter your phone's passcode over here and continue with the process. By applying these solutions, you will be good to go. While iPhone does not have a one-click option to clear all cache, using these tips will definitely help free up space and improve your phone's performance. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.